Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ki MDC jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, hapo ka jelam jong Chief Executive Member uba Tenwell Dekhar, kila kentu yo menteri rang ba ka jela ukonrat ke sangma, ba unsim khia ban penbet no mardor ki jing e baki paj ba ki basang basa hakapot hapdeng ka jela Meghalaya bat Assam, kila mat la sau pun reus nem menta. Ha ka jelang ka blalong ha ka khandreu trek menta bana jemang arajar ka khandai, hapdeng ki MDC ka KHADC bat menteri rang ba ka jela. Kilai kerensani ba halor ke jingsha thambor ke yengsa uskatri ke himanong spong uba Michael Wajri hakipai bhor ke balaja ha ka nyautrek mutabna jembang ar hajar kat khandai ha ka snong balakhawa ke balakta ru ya songsok songsan ha ka ni ke snong hadu menta u menteri rang ba ke jela ukonrat ke sangma ha ka jekran barkinong pathai khobor hadian ke jingelang ulai tho ba ka sarkar klasim khia ba halor ke ni ke jingja batchen ke sarkar kan safa jurep dau director general of police jong ke jela Meghalaya ha balakhawa ha ka beidai ba ka jingdawa bat ka jingterwa na kalyang UMLA ke jirang uba sosten sotun ban buno ya ka police outpost ha ka ni ka than.
They have expressed their concerns about the incident that took place, the fact that the case was registered in Assam, and they have urged the government to bring the case to Meghalaya. So we informed them that that request has already gone from our side, and the government of India has already urged Assam to transfer the case. So we're hopeful that that should materialize. Apart from that, there were concerns about security arrangements and presence of armed forces in the border area from Meghalaya side. So therefore, there were a lot of discussions that there should be some kind of infrastructure that should be put up out there, like an outpost. So therefore, I think the MLA from Barnihat, that is Jerang, has already met the Home Minister. They have already had initial discussions, and after conducting necessary surveys of the area, they will be going ahead with creating infrastructure to provide more security to our people out there. Apart from that, of course, overall concerns were there regarding border issue and that these kinds of incidents should not take place in the future. And yes, as a government, we are concerned about that, and obviously as a government we would not want this kind of incidents to happen in the future, and therefore to ensure that there's a better coordination and ensuring that these kind of incidents don't happen in the future, the Chief Minister of Assam and myself will be meeting very soon. I had in fact spoken to him on the day of this incident, and we both agreed that there must be restraint and the escalation should not take place, and all efforts should be made to ensure that the situation de-escalates. And at the same time, we also agreed that we will be meeting very soon. We have in fact finalized on a tentative month, but as I said, it will not be appropriate for me to say it right now without officially finalizing it, but it will happen very, very soon. And I hope that in those meetings when we discuss, we'll be able to bring out all different issues, apart obviously from the major issue of the border itself, other issues concerning development aspects and security of our people. Compensation, but I think yes, the damage has been done. So from our side, from government side also, we will show support and we will give whatever help possible from our side. So it has been an area which has been of great concern, and from Meghalaya side, we have always expressed our points and our demarcations to the government of Assam. So therefore we are sticking to that, and we will see as discussions go further on how we can move forward in this case. Already the committee has been set up by the government of Meghalaya, and already one meeting has been held by the additional chief secretary, and instructions have been given to the department as per Supreme Court's orders that the operations must commence and the people should not suffer.
Hakoi pat kalyang u Chief Executive Member jong ka KHADC uba Tenwell Dekhar ulai tho ba na kalyang jong uru ula kentu yo menteri rang ba ka jela ba unya kerensani ba menteri rang ba ka jela Assam usar ba Nanda Sonowal ha ka beidai ba ka jing penbet no yo por usam ha pedeng ka jela Meghalaya ba Assam
jingjia ke bla ajia ke ni sini kampung untuk por besar tan besar syok besar bom besar penpram ka ying ka sam jong ba Michael Wajri yang dia new belakawat list de nakaliang kejungi hi kuntu mari dia ru jingjia ngi lelu ngi langpo di council bat habis ko tring la listo de hadin bumto hadin bingilele situ ngeliyo lagi jong ke khmat lagi jing du lagi jing penduk lagi jing don lagi jing am jubu ka yeng ka sam de kani ka jing jia ta kala ta hadu ka ta ini de na ta kadau marewan hing tung ya kendu sobat ki para MDC pro khaj rekat ki sang halang de ngeliya penbej belum gunung in pan appointment ya chief minister belum pala bini kendu pat begini kerpat lam na kaliang juga government bakan intervene lam ka bede ka jing jia ka jia dia haput asam dia berhawa di kalau bos nutunat pat hari jisha hari itu kisgi ngeliat penkre ka memorandum ban kerpa dia nak level jongga government level chief minister ba lagu nu ban pelaj no ya ba Michael Wardri te hendoi mening kisgi ngeliat jadi blak pelaj di utaka main jungi Russian no utaka kisgi di ke kamram ke konstan ke gubernur ni kendu kisgi kalau ba la kumno ngi kwa bagi charge dan lagi case ki ba long again siya ba Michael Brokhoi ban transfer no asam ikane ni kren ni kane yo chief minister ban ni singaw tanat man kalen yo chief minister ka jing kren gi jung bolong very positive ni las singaw tanat palat las singaw men palat ban ni rakhmil tiru ba ke no gi jing ai jing kermen gi jung chief minister ke ula ai gi jing kermen ni ban ya khmilam nak ta gi jing ya border ba ka basuk tan ek long ba itu gi jakang tu ong ba kwa be ba gi jakang tu long basuk basai bagi pai bah tu syong la sang tu video safe bekas security kan safe side bekas security ni konstruksi ko syong tu
ya yang ni kam bala keren ro baka government joka Assam ban transfer ke case ko Meghalaya bah ka joka poru nak yang CM ulah ban ba baka priority joka government menta kalong ban ensure ka safety jong kibri ko jungi ki basyong ko ka border area ka ngila ajing mut ya ka sarkar ba ka deban penbahab yang ya ka yeng ka para sya penjular bana kaliang usia besar ulah keren assure ba bana kaliang ka jungu ban kani ka kam long ka ba ban ne ya umna kaliang government ka sim kia ban snab yang itu yeng ka jungu ba ya ban udah penparu ya ka jing soburom ya ba makhel nama bu ulah de we ne ki mo ki erang ongno ki ba kasih marui ban syong tu bopala ya dai ka cakap ta ka juni bat lo ong iba nginum sya iba ang kendiat ka cakap ka juni ru ba kan nek syakoi ba ka state di ban ya da be ya cakap ka juni tengila ajing mut nak kalian ka juni ba kumbakadan ka jing terwa nak kalian ka government Assam ya gitu ki beri ka syong ka boda juni bagin register ya cakap free of cost tengiru ngila ajing mut yo chief minister bana kumno baga sarkar nak liar ka diban rai dekat polisi bana ilat itu beri jungi basyo pada bagi diban register ya dijaka bana ka juga poru baga diban dan spot registration nak kalian juga sarkar chief minister pemerintah baga ni ka sarkar pemerintah kalau serius ini kila dan ki scheme ka tukan ni ki ba nak kalian ka sarkar kalau sanction bakum juru ka jingi dei baga outpost nak kalian joka jong chief minister ulang baga ni ka kam kala ya ki jingi kena cakmat ingat isi ki kandiat singi home minister new DG misalnya jengok yang ni kecaka nang benda bantu ka outpost mendai tang hagati kecaka ndai along the borderline